Jamaican farmers. Hot.
Jamaican farmers. Hey.
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Viewers and my subscribers, as you can see, the top of the greenhouse is up. All the metal are in place. Alright, time for the plastic to go over it and the mesh to go around it. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another video. In this video it's all about the greenhouse. As you can see, all the metals are up. As you can see, all the bed metal, yeah, are up. It is time for the plastic now to go on. Alright, as you can see, beautiful, don't it? Yeah, looking very neat. Yeah, and as you can see, there's a straight cord in the middle here. Yeah, so you can see right down to the end of the other side. Alright, my viewers. Yeah, I'm gonna give you every update on it, right from start to finish. Alright, so yes, as you can see, we have some metal here. Don't know what this metal on the ground here is for. Could be the mesh, to hold the mesh in place. Yeah, but trust me, all the metals are up. It is time for plastic. Alright, it is time to install a plastic. This side is going to mesh. Yeah, and as you can see, all the rows are dig, plowed, ready for planting. Yeah, my viewers, update on the greenhouse. Here is the center of the two greenhouses. As you can see, you know, the center have to be firm because there's a gutter is gonna be here. All right, so inside here is gonna be a gutter where the two greenhouses meet. All right, as you can see, my viewers. Yeah, Jamaican farmers, don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Yeah, yeah, man, all the pipes are in, all the overhead pipes. All right, yeah, so as you notice, these three rows here are fine. As you can see, the soil is very fine. Yeah, they refined the soil for planting. As you can see, look over here, looking very different, looking rough. All right, these don't work on as yet. As you can see over here, still rough. So you know, all these soil have to refine before planting. All right, yeah, yeah, my viewers. Stick around to see what's coming next. As you can see, these metal here, this is the metal that will hold the mesh. No, the plastic. Don't remember if it hold the mesh, but this is what go. I'm gonna show you where that metal go on the side here to hold the plastic in place. Yeah, right here. This is where it goes to hold the plastic. It goes here to hold the plastic in place. All right. There's a spring thing that go in here to hold the plastic. All right. Yeah, gonna give you a view on that also. There's like a spring, something that to hold the plastic inside here. Yeah. Yes, my viewers. This is the spring that go into the metal to hold the plastic. Yeah. As you can see. Yeah. This is what hold the plastic into the metal on the side of the greenhouse. All right. As you can see on this side, I also have a pipe run on this side also. Don't know if this pipe is gonna hold the mesh, the end of the mesh into the ground. Alright, on the ground. But I'm going to get that information. Yeah, let you know what's going on. Alright. Yeah man. Gonna give you a far view. Going to give you a far view of the greenhouse. How it look. Give you a further view. Alright. Tell me what's going on. Going to the center of the two of them. Tell me what's going on. Yeah. That's how it look. So after the plastic install, here you're gonna see the beauty of it, and the mesh is around. All of it is going to mesh. All of here is going to mesh right up to the metal. Alright. Okay. I'm going to get the information on the pipe here, because this is the first one I see with a pipe like this on the side here. Alright, I'm gonna get some info and come back to you guys. Yeah, me viewers, you don't know. Yeah man. The metal them that put on at the side of the greenhouse, it is the metal for the center. The top of the center of the top of the greenhouse. Yeah, if you don't understand. Yeah. I'm sure no I go on. Can't see it from here, so. But that long metal on the two sides of the greenhouse, it is the two pieces of metal to go up into the top of the greenhouse. Alright? So yeah. Big up on yourself. Jamaican farmers up. Yes, my viewers, you don't know it's all about, I just stand them, for the tray in the nursery. As you can see, whole heap of dust. Yeah. Saw the work. So I say, yeah man, as you can see, me have some board here, cutting up and thing. You don't know it's all about. Kind of line out one side already, yeah? Put on the foot them, kind of turn upside down still. But you don't know it's all about country with there, Alright, this is the next side for one of the stand, you know what I mean? So, it's all about time to put on the foot them. After put on the foot, you want to have some nail in a pan, yeah? You don't know. See? Stick around, man, and you know what go on, alright? See? Yes, my viewers, just giving you a hint of what is going on here. Yeah, one of the bench is almost finished. Just need to put on the top on it, So, these are the trays. So, this is the way the trays is going to sit on it. Alright, with all the seedlings inside. Yeah. So, there's a lot of tray on this one bench here. Don't watch my lapses, man. My lapses is just my collapse words. You know what I mean? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Almost 16, 17 tray. Tray is gonna hold on it. Very tall, don't it? So I'm gonna put this on one side, the 16 length of the nursery, One more like this is gonna be on the other side, 16 length same way. And down into the back here, I'm gonna put a next table crossway here. Yeah, add on a table from this one to this one here inside the nursery. So in the middle now, we're gonna have all those space in the middle. So we're gonna figure out if we need to put some more into the middle, all right? That it's how it's going to work in the nursery. Okay, my viewers? Yeah, man. It's all about farming. Jamaican Farmers Hut. And don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to my channel. Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out, alright? Yeah, man. The breadfruit. Ready to make the breadfruit punch, alright? Yes, my viewers. Manners.